Hey, it's late in the afternoon and we're going for 40 kilometers today. Let's go. I was trembling in hunger, so I had to get up to eat. But anyway, we're pushing forward. Alright, so it's 6 in the evening and we've been riding for an hour and 20 minutes. We're halfway through, so we're just gonna kick back, relax for a bit, see what's going on here in this area. This area is, by the way, called Orchard. We're still in San Fernando City. So we just had our dose of caffeine and we still have about 20 kilometers to go, so we're pushing forward. Alright, so it turns out that there's a concert there by local band, and of course we're not gonna check that out. I mean, let the young guns let the young guns go there. A lot of bikes here and a lot of bikers too. There's some cyclists here.
Hello po! Hello po! Shoutout po sa tropa namin. Shoutout po sa mama ko. Pati po sa mama ko. Sa girlfriend. Ay, ano? Ay.
Shoutout po sa mama ko.
Shoutout natin mama na. Shoutout!
Okay, so that is 40 kilometers, 40.47 kilometers. So that's our ride for today. I'll see you in my longer runs, and shout out to the new cyclists that I met. Cheers. Bye-bye. God bless.